tonight for dinner we are just making some burgers. I'm just going to have the burgers going right now, but I'm going to serve it with black pepper cheddar cheese, some grilled onions, and some bacon and avocado. So it should just be like a loaded cheeseburger without the bun. So I'm doing that right now, and this is basically a super easy option to have during the week, and then the leftovers are good for the next day. So that's it, pretty simple. So this is tonight's dinner. We have the cheeseburger underneath there, the avocado, fried egg, sauteed onions, and some bacon. It's all underneath there, kind of like a variety plate. Hey you guys, so today is Monday. I've just gotten home from work. It's about 5 in the afternoon, and I'm just going to prepare dinner before I work out. So tonight for dinner, I have some salmon here. Now this salmon is really low. This is like wild Atlantic salmon, so it's really low in fat compared to like wild Alaskan salmon. So to boost this up in the fat content, I'm going to smother them in butter, and then I'm going to season them with roasted garlic and pepper seasoning and some garlic infused olive oil. It's a really simple way to do salmon. I'm going to tent the salmon and then just put it in the oven for like 25 minutes. And then I'm going to do some frozen broccoli on the stove, or Brussels sprouts, I haven't decided yet. And we're gonna be set. So let me go ahead and do this. So I just got done doctoring up that salmon, so I'm gonna let that cook for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to get changed, and then I might start working out. I have kind of a tough workout today. It's 45 minutes of high intensity, and CJ was gonna do it with me, but I think he's caught in traffic, so I might just knock it out now and wash my face and get going. So I'm just gonna let that cook, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you this dish that CJ and I made the other night. that is amazing. So it's like a broccoli and cauliflower rice, kind of like a cheese lasagna. So we have some defrosted frozen broccoli right here. It's just defrosted enough just to be like room temperature. It's not hot or anything. And then we have some room temperature cauliflower rice as well. We pop this in the microwave just to get it defrosted, but don't make it till it's like piping hot. So I'm just gonna add the cauliflower rice on here. And I'm going to load it up with some cheese, some onion, and garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like before it's going into the oven. We just put some butter on top, and then we're probably gonna cook it for 15 minutes, take it out, re-toss, re-season, re-cheese, and put it back in. Hey you guys, so this is the final product. We cooked for 15 minutes, redid the seasonings, added more cheese, put it back in for 15 minutes, and you are left with this. It looks so good. Hey you guys, so tonight for dinner I am doing Brussels sprouts and some hot and spicy chicken strips flavored with chicharrones. Then I also have some jalapenos wrapped in bacon. So a lot of good keto stuff, so I'm just gonna give you guys the rundown right now. So these are the Brussels sprouts that I always make. So these are just out of the package. I've seasoned them with garlic, olive oil, regular olive oil, and salt and pepper. These just have to go in the oven for 30 minutes and they are perfect. These look a little crazy. We made them earlier and then we just got caught up doing errands and stuff. So I'm just gonna put these back in the oven maybe like 5 minutes before we eat, just to get them nice and hot again. These are jalapenos sliced in half, filled with cream cheese and wrapped in bacon.